Hello, future healthcare professionals. Are you preparing for the Occupational English Test, OET? Understanding the OET exam syllabus is crucial to your success. This test is specifically designed for healthcare professionals, and it evaluates your English proficiency across four key areas: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Each section has its own time limits and focuses on different skills essential for healthcare communication. Let's break down the OET syllabus and exam structure to help you prepare effectively. The OET syllabus for 2024 covers listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Each section has a unique format and duration, testing the specific language skills you need to excel in healthcare settings. Here's a breakdown of what to expect in each section. The listening section consists of 3 parts with a total of 42 questions. Part A focuses on identifying specific information during health consultations, requiring you to complete notes. Part B assesses your ability to understand the gist of short extracts from workplace communication. Part C tests your comprehension of longer presentations or interviews on general medical topics. Tips for OET listening. Each part reflects real-life situations, making it easier to follow the audio extracts. The total test time includes reading instructions, previewing questions, listening, and writing your answers. Remember, each recording can only be heard once, so focus is key. Like the listening section, the reading section is also divided into 3 parts, with 42 questions in total. Part A tests your ability to skim and scan text for specific information across short, health-related texts. You'll answer 20 questions in formats like fill in the blanks and short answers. Part B contains 6 multiple-choice questions based on extracts from healthcare manuals or guidelines. Part C includes 2 longer texts on general medical topics, with a total of 16 multiple-choice questions. You have 45 minutes for both Part B and Part C combined. The writing section requires you to compose a formal letter based on a typical workplace scenario. Most commonly, you'll be asked to write a referral letter. You'll be given 40 minutes to complete the task, and your marks will depend on the content, clarity, and presentation of the letter. In the speaking section, you'll start with an informal chat with the interlocutor, followed by 2 role plays. Each role play is specific to your profession and lasts 5 minutes. You'll have 3 minutes to prepare by reviewing a role play card before starting. Your performance will be assessed on both linguistic and clinical communication skills. The OET exam is designed to assess the English language proficiency of healthcare professionals who wish to work and live in English-speaking countries. Each section of the test evaluates critical communication skills necessary for success in the healthcare field. If you're ready to take your OET preparation to the next level, contact me on WhatsApp at +61468480877. I offer personalized support, including free reading sessions, free corrections for your first letter, and a free speaking role play. Don't let the OET exam hold you back from your dreams. Let's work together to ensure your success and open doors to a promising healthcare career.